Man out here.
Fresh kicks out here. Let's go.
Big
Always
fan.
bringing that heat up.
What's up, fuckers?
You made it. For sure starting the video off with this. Yo, I always thought it would be so cool to have one of these. Does Fresh Kicks have enough sauce to get to 1 million subs on YouTube? I want this, you know, to be an experience that we share together. You know what I'm saying? You never know where this channel might end up. So, you know, big legendary shit right here. Oh, yup. SpongeBob sent me that golden spatula. You know what I'm saying? Okay, okay. We have a message here from Susan, CEO of YouTube. Oh, she big legendary. Big chips. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. I'm not gonna read this whole thing. I'll save that for me. I might hang this somewhere. I might actually print this out on a shirt. I'm an idiot. All right, thank you, Susan, for that message. Oh. This award was inspected and packaged with the great care by Rick. I'm Rick James. Yo, this is dope. Hopefully I'm getting all this. You guys can see that well. That is lit. Creator award, sick. So we gonna have like the BET awards or something for YouTubers, or what's happening? This is pretty cool, man. I'm not gonna lie. I always wanted this. I'm really not gonna lie, guys. So I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Wow. Hell yeah. We just need one more zero on there. Big paid. Man, but for real. Thank you guys. So you guys can see the quality of it. It's really nice. Like aluminum brushed. Hey, have you guys ever wondered what you look like? Shout out to my boy for drawing this for me. This is a drawing of an actual rolling shot of the R8 on my last setup. And yeah, this thing's sick. Badass drawing. Super detailed. My boy does his thing. My dude killed it. This is his second drawing. He drew the Evo for me before. All the way from Siberia, man. Crazy. Shipped it out to me. Big far. Legendary things going around here, man. But yeah, man, this is crazy. This is dope. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to all the subs. Definitely something I always wanted to have, and now I have it, and it's crazy. So it's cool to have acknowledgement, you know, on your work and everything. So appreciate that. Let's go ahead and get this video started. We got the Olympics on today. So yeah, some of you guys guessed it already. The lip on the R8 lasted about 2 weeks. Shit sucks. Static life, man. But honestly, it truly wasn't my fault. The height was really manageable. I was doing pretty well with it, but I hit a construction zone, and yeah, the road was completely effed. So it's all good. I just had the hood PPF'd, and I was gonna do the lip, but on the way there, it got ruined. You guys will see the damage right now. Damn, peep this interior though. Sheesh, that's boss. Peep this G-Wagon, all Brabus out. Shit's sick. B for big baller. Turbo. They just finished Ryan's ZR1. Full clear, bro, everything. Sheesh. Had the whole I guess you could say it's a hood, because it's like a fender and a hood. Everything PPF, looks nice, clean. Like I said earlier, told you guys I was gonna wrap this little indentation right here black, so it gives the hood a little more depth. I think it looks pretty sick. It looks pretty mean, besides my damaged ass lip. My boy said he could repair it, you know, shit happens. I'm not gonna be too sad about it. I don't have to buy a whole new one. It still sucks though. I'm more just pissed off because I have a show on Saturday and I have an important photo shoot next week. I'm gonna have a trash ass lip, so I don't know. I'm gonna go home and I don't know, use some fucking Sharpie on it, try to cut off these little pieces so it doesn't look as bad. I don't know. I'll see what I can do. With the cup suspension, I can actually drive with the car raised. So I'm only gonna do it in the front, and that'll be able to bring the front up to more than stock height. So we gotta meet tonight though. Man, I wish I could just stay around, but it's not until tonight, like 9 o'clock. So I'm just gonna go home. Gotta sit in an hour of traffic. This is fuckery, bro. It's only 2:40, like, it's not even rush hour. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Slam little type bar.
Got me losing my breath. Do the dash with the blues on the deck.
Bruh, I have yet to hit 60 miles an hour the entire way home. I'm like 5 miles from my city.
6.5 hours later.
Nigga son kill.
We got a Mercy up there. That's a lady. Mercy boys. Those shits are sick. I would definitely buy a Mercy, but they're just like, they're like G35s. Stay reps tonight, that's what I want to know. And we in Yorba Linda. I'm cool, you know, I got my stock button over here. I'm stocked. I don't know about y'all though. What up, what up, what up? Though. That turbo? 335 boys. Oh, there's Bowie. It's a Supra! The Supra is sliding. What's up, fucker? Yeah, this is the first time I see a Supra. It's actually blue. Not bad. Damn, it's cracking.
Yeah? Alright.
We out here.
Bro, those are cool roads. They're nice, right? Must be nice.
Must be nice. One day.
One day. I saw the first second.
This is sick. Damn, the Supra that. Damn, very rare sight here. They all have rotaries. Damn, where you at, George?
I'm gonna get my feet by your shit.
Damn, rotary boys. Run, 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 run. Oh, yup. Hey, Bendeja. You already know what that is. Hey, okay. I see you, champion. Oh, my dog got the Air Jordans. He got the retro 5s with the reflective on them. Yeah. Oh, the ETR. Oh, I love ETR. Oh, big wang. Damn, GSF on the TEs. Sheesh. It's clean.
We look like we're...
You like that one? that a 4-door R32, dog? Got the herd. Hey, what's up, dog? Damn, fool. What's up, man? What up? Chilling? What's up, dog? My man's ready for some paint right now. White body boy. Okay. Got the gram lights. Lambo King out here. What's up, what's up? What up, what up? What's up, man? Chilling? It's fucking dark. I can't see shit. Yeah, it's just clean right here. The G. I heard people getting pulled over. Big legendary wheels right there. Legend. Tell me. Look how legendary the wheels are. Some more popped up. Big legendary Volts. Hey fucker, is that a wide body Stinger, dog? Yeah, look at that intercooler. That's just pretty clean. Big deep dish in there. Looks pretty sick. Memories right there. This is my first GTR looked like when I bought it. You guys remember? Got Emerge out here. Brought the S2K. Okay. Nardo with the weld. You already know what's up. You know the deal. Probably my favorite NSX. You know, red on the black chrome. Meisters. Sheesh. Rotary boys. Damn. The cops pulling up static. I'm really static out here. Okay, we got the Gen 2 R8. What's up? My man bumping.
No shame.
Bumping out here. Gated boys. Okay, let's see.
For sure.
Out here.
Fresh kicks out here. Let's go.
Big
Always
fan.
bringing that heat up. Number one, fastest day one.
Let's do it. Get the pick, Champede. We out here, Rotary boys. Clean, man. Hefty boys. We might be catching some runs right now. Got the RPM come on. Dismal boys. That's just loud as fuck. It's just stupid loud.
That's good. You gotta throw it up.
What's up, fuckers? Yo, my man got the dominoes. repeating it, man, every day. Marathon continues. That tell me button though. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Appreciate you for tuning in as always, man. Shout out to all the new subs, shout out to old subs. Honestly, it hit 100K pretty quick, you know. Once I started taking it a little more serious, the subscribers started going up real quick, so I appreciate everybody. We have Big Euro is in 2 days, so there's gonna be a dope caravan over there. Hopefully get some good content out there in San Diego. Until the next video, guys, I'm out.